Right, time to put the spikes on. So that's the spikes on, and off we go again, onwards and upwards. Off the Great Gable. The winds are slightly stronger than what they were forecast, but still lovely all the same. Haven't got much light to be honest, probably about half an hour. Right then, this is where I'm going. In fact, yeah. So it's time to get the tent up and get out this wind. I'm going to shift some snow, get the tent in, get it secured. Should be fine tonight though, because like I say, it's not forecast for strong winds. And I'll enjoy this as a backdrop. Not a bad view, eh? Let's get the tent up. Right. Oh, time to get this tent pitched. Beautiful day, slightly windier than forecast, but I don't mind. Once the shelter's up, I'll have the end into the wind, I'll have a little bit of shelter, everything will be good. It's always slightly tougher in the wind. Right, that's the tent all pitched. It's all done. Just need to get my air mat in, sleeping bag, get all the bits in. I would like to get the drone up, but it's probably borderline with the wind. But what a backdrop. Great Gable, Green Gable, looking fantastic. Might pop up in there in the morning, so we'll see how early we'll rise, see what the conditions are. If it's looking nice with the sunrise, we'll be up there. So anyway, I'm going to get all my kit in, get sorted and settle in for the night. Bit of food, bit of drink, lovely views, nice pastel sky across there. Look at that. What a beaut. What a beaut. Right, that's me all set up. Beautiful backdrop. Light's starting to fade. Wind's picking up. Fantastic. Beautiful. Right. Just come in from the wind. Oh, I tell you what. It's -9 with a wind chill. It's see me breath. Very fresh. Hands are numb. Been taking a few photos. So take your glove off in about 20 seconds, 30 seconds. It's you lose all dexterity. You just struggle. So I've missed this. It's been a while since I felt like I've had a good winter camp. So hopefully it snows through the night. I hope it's clear in the morning. If it's not, I don't mind. So right then, I've got my boil in the bag on. It's got a gentle simmer, but I will boil it up. I'll leave it in there for a good while, let them warm up. I'm gonna have this. Probably gonna have a cup of tea, and then I think I'm gonna hit the hay because it is wild out there. Just been out and cloudy, strong winds. So been £10 all night. Not ideal, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna get a hot meal in me, a nice hot drink, and jump in the bag. It's 20 to 11, so I'll be happy with 5 hours sleep, 4.5 hours sleep. That'll do. Probably pack away early in the morning. Right, so it's time to leave. Left no chase. Into the trail. Possibly bring us back. If not, see you on the next one. Bye for now. It's a bit less windy here. As you can see, it's a little windy. It takes a lot more effort. You don't feel like you get this far really, but it's been a fantastic one. Love this one. Great to get out, just spurred us on. Hope you're going to get Scotland done in the next month and a half. Hopefully I'll catch the snow up there, hopefully. And anyway guys, I'll see you on the next one. Red eyes, lack of sleep. It's all good. Anyway, see you on the next one.